Hello Anantyaholics, Merry Christmas, and we hope to wish you a Happy New Year very soon. Before me is something which we hope you'll recognize. If you haven't guessed already, this is Anantya, a replica in gingerbread. It's a gingerbread Anantya house. Our chefs have been working at it for days together to put together this masterpiece for you to visually feast on. The entire thing is edible, really, made of food, gingerbread, baked and then cut and sized and shaped to fit into the structure of the house. Put together with royal icing, which is the glue that holds the gingerbread pieces together. With minute details that are just marvelous to look at. For instance, look at the logo of Anantya created in icing. Little flower decorations around the pillars. Our beautiful walking deck captured with even lights around it. We would invite you, if you're here at Anantya or coming to join us very soon, to compare the real and the gingerbread house. Find small details in the house which looks exactly like the real Anantya. Look at the icing work on the wall of the restaurant. Step outside and you'll find it's pretty much the same as what you see here at the gingerbread house. How about our water swings sitting in Chitar Lake? Many of you who have stayed with us, I'm sure, have enjoyed those swings and will have fond memories of it. Peek into the restaurant, and there's some marvelous woodwork that we have, taken from an old house, the ceiling of the house, which forms one of the walls of the restaurant. And now, in the gingerbread house, it looks like an elaborate wood carving. Do you know what the green that you see for the grass is? It's shredded coconut, which has been colored and then powdered on top of the gingerbread house to make it look like grass. The shiny icing sugar, which you see, is glycerine and sugar mixed together to look like water, and it forms our lily ponds all around the restaurant and near the walkway. Of course, you can't eat this gingerbread house, but we will have some samples for you to savor on when you're here at Anantya. It may not last long, the gingerbread house, because it does have a short life, as long as Christmas and New Year is still ringing in the air. But we do hope you will be here to see this marvelous creation in person.